Alright, dude, I'm about to start this up for you. I don't know if it's gonna do it, but see my weight caddy. 91. It got 105, about to hit 106. So, junky and shots, you know. So, I keep it clean, though. I keep it clean. My little deck and shit. Got a broke ass iPod. This shit won't stay charged. Oh, that's my key. That's the key to my shit. I got it unlocked and turn that down. I don't know what the fuck that shit is, though. I really don't. That's what I'm talking about when I do it. It sounds like a Mustang or some shit like that. If you don't believe it, I got virtual parts. That's my muscle. See, it's kind of, I don't know.